We're a tool. The more you use the system, the better the data is going to be in that, the better decisions that management's going to be able to make because they've got reliable information to work from.
We're always looking to advance the company. So we're taking every dollar we can, we're putting it back into the development crew, we're putting it back into the support crew.
From 1997 to today, and just the technology alone has been amazing.
We're constantly innovating for our customer success.
Well, with Active Desktops, one of the things we did was take the existing concept of apps on your phone, because we are a system that has about 350 or so separate individual applications that run in it. Just like your phone, you can download as many apps as you want to, and you can organize them in the way you want to. And we built shortcuts that allowed us to actually drag them from the menu system right onto the user desktop space. And we basically modeled the desktop on your Windows PC desktop, because everybody's got a Windows PC. They're very used to using it. Everybody's got a phone. They're very used to using it. So we kind of merged those two ideas together and dropped that in. So that made it very easy to look at what we're doing and say, well, this makes sense. This is very easy to do. And then we took that one step further when we looked at the concept of dashboards, key metrics that are going on in your system. We didn't find anybody really doing what we wanted to do, so we had to create active tiles, information, graphs, content that were representative key metrics in your system, and be able to put them in the same user space as your icons for navigation. So we created an area in the system just right off the menu structure where you can pick one of those. We have over about 105 active tiles that you can actually click and drag and organize right into your workspace and mingle everything into one area so you didn't have to go to another place. So we call that Active Desktop. So it's really innovative, and it's really makes it much different than what you see from competitors. Because we run from the entire operation, from the back office, running in the service department, the rental department, the parts department, all the way over into the admin side, where they're handling the accounts payable, accounts receivable, general ledger. You're going to touch everybody in the dealership. So when something doesn't go right, it affects a lot of people. One of the things that we actually have called our desktop to is the concept of a NetView ecosystem, because we want to bring in information in this concept of an ecosystem. Information that's important gets driven straight to you and into an alert type notification, so you can manage things by exception.
The exciting thing about the future is expanding upon that ecosystem and the connections that it now allows us to make. We want to take that platform, and whether it be telematics coming in from machines and alerts and alarms to information that may be important that the OEMs are publishing, parts order updates, statuses of things, to take information and just put it in front of the user and allow that user to easily access information that's important to them in a workday without having to dig for it.